Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager. Scroll down again and tap on any of those features that you wish to manage. In my case, location. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with YouTube from Not Allowed category and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that YouTube just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Now instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!